Hey everybody, this is Joel Hebner, personal trainer. I'm here to teach you how to maintain your treadmill. Now what you want to do, you want to make sure your treadmill remains clean at all times. Nothing is worse than a buildup of bacteria, sweat, always a bad thing. So you want to take a clean, hot, soapy, wet rag, or you can use other antibacterial sprays such as a Lysol or a Windex. Make sure it's clean, make sure your buttons that you'll be pressing a lot are properly sanitized, because that's where you're going to be sweating, you're going to be touching these buttons, bacteria can build up. So again, wipe it down, keep it clean, and when you're through with it, what you need to do is you want to make sure you press stop and turn it off. You're just wasting electricity if you don't. You can also turn off the switch, probably located on the bottom of the machine. That'll help you save a little bit of extra energy. Again, this is Joel Hebner, showing you how to maintain your treadmill.